Hello folks, this is Jamie Upson from Stonehearth Capital Management with an educational economic update for November 2016. In this month's video, we'll discuss some of the major headlines that influenced markets in October and give you some insight into what they could mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. I want to start this month's conversation with the presidential election. I think we can all agree that this has already been an unusual election season. And then, in keeping with the ongoing surprises, on Friday, October 28th, FBI Director James Comey sent a letter to Congress indicating that the agency would be reviewing more emails from Hillary Clinton. The markets have reacted to this curveball with increasing volatility, with the S&P 500 hitting its lowest point since July. But when you look past the current volatility and dig into October's markets, you'll see underlying data that is much more positive than the recent volatility and recent media hype would lead you to believe. In fact, at the same time that the markets were reacting to the FBI's announcement, we also learned two important details that show the economy is growing: gross domestic product and consumer spending. First, let's take a look at gross domestic product, or GDP. GDP beat expectations and had its biggest gain in 2 years. This result means that the economy is not only growing, but at a faster clip than most economists had predicted. Second, the most recent consumer spending report from September showed it had grown 0.5% to reach a new all-time high. Personal income also grew 0.3% as well. In other words, people in the U.S. are earning and spending more money, which is good news for the economy. As we look forward, I expect the election will likely continue to cause some market volatility in the near term. But even less eventful elections also typically cause volatility because the markets simply do not like uncertainty. Remember that the economy is still continuing to grow. In fact, 86% of respondents to a recent CNBC poll believe the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates at their meeting next month, another strong indication that the Great Recession is getting farther away with each passing day. We might not have a completely smooth ride ahead, but I believe we are still steadily moving in the right direction. I know that headlines and media hype can be disconcerting, but as always, we are here to keep you informed and share the information you need to have a clear view of where we stand. Once again, this is Jamie Upson with Stonehearth Capital Management, signing off for the month of November 2016. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 978-624-3000. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.